Hi friends, and welcome to this math check. Today we have this math operation in which 8 divided 1 over 2 times 2. But remember, its answer is not 8, okay? Let's do it as people think its solution. As they first cut out these two with each other, and they left with 8 divided 1, and their answer will be 8. But this answer is wrong because they move against math rules. All right. According to this operation, we have to apply KCF Rule, where we keep the first fraction as it is, change the sign, and flip the second fraction. Okay, got it? Now let's move to its correct solution according to KCF. This will write this 8 as it is, change division sign into multiplication, and flip this 1 over 2 into 2, and lastly, times 2. Easy, right? Now we will do left side multiplication first. 8 times 2, which gives us 16, and this times 2. Now we have 16 times 2, which equal to 32. Done. This is our final answer of above question. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected for upcoming videos. And also give me your kind feedback. Take care always.